Ever wonder how educational platforms help people discover the best way they learn through a simple interactive quiz? In this tutorial, we'll show you how the Forage uses a learning style quiz to help users identify their preferred learning style and how you can recreate the same interactive experience using Outgrow. Here's how it works. This is the learning style quiz. It asks users a series of practical, real-life questions about how they process information, solve problems, and remember what they learn. For example, the Forage asks questions like, you're working at a coffee shop as a barista. How would you remember all the closing tasks? You're learning about the Krebs cycle in biology class. How would you take notes? You're planning to read a novel with a complicated family tree. How would you keep track of the characters? You're going on a 3-week trip. How would you plan your outfits? Which learning activities are you most comfortable leading during a group presentation? Through a series of engaging questions, users discover their learning style along with personalized insights into how they learn best. Now let me show you how you can create the same experience using Outgrow. Start by logging into the dashboard and opening the personality quiz inside Outgrow. Once you're inside the editor, head straight to the Build tab. This is where you customize every question to match your school, training program, coaching business, online course, or educational platform. Using Outgrow, you can ask questions like, when trying to understand a new concept, do you prefer? What kind of study aids do you find most helpful? How do you prefer to receive new information? When memorizing information, what method works best for you? What is your preferred way to explore a new city? And so on. Want to tailor the experience for students, employees, corporate training, or online learners? Simply click on any question and edit it instantly. Next, head over to the Outcome screen. This is where the magic happens. This is where users receive their personalized learning style. For example, visual learner, auditory learner, reading/writing, learner, kinesthetic learner. Now simply click on each question and map every answer option to the appropriate outcome. Repeat the same process for all the questions until every answer contributes to the most accurate learning style. To make everything feel fully on brand, head over to the Overall Design tab to customize your logo, colors, and fonts. You can also add a lead generation form to collect users' names and email addresses before revealing their personalized learning style. Once everything looks perfect, click Go Live. You can share the quiz using a direct link or embed it directly on your website. And that's how you turn a simple learning style assessment into a highly engaging, personalized experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own learning style quiz? Start creating interactive assessments that educate your audience, boost engagement, and generate high-quality leads with Outgrow.